Hi, welcome to Cecily YouTube channel. I'm going to show you how to draw an owl. Here's a draw along. So I took a plastic lid and I traced it. Then I took a cup, kind of like a condiment cup where you get ketchup in or something like that. And I'm going to trace that. And then I'm going to take a bottle cap. It's a little bit smaller. Just keep going smaller with my circles. Awesome. Great. And notice how they touch in the center. Here's a turned line for the beak. Up, there's another triangle. And another triangle. Great. So here's a C, and I'm going to connect for a crescent moon. Another C, or is it a crescent moon? I don't know. Anyway, take a marker and outline what you like, what you've chosen, and you can change as needed. Doesn't have to be perfect. And yeah, so I chose not to connect below. It looks kind of like a figure 8 too inside for the owl. Could also flatten on the top of the head, but I kind of kept it a little bit round. Oh, there's the body. Zigzags, just connected Z's. Yep, I just decided to add them. They don't have to be perfect. That's kind of feathery, I thought. Oh, U's are kind of feathery too, so I'm going to go ahead and put some there. And if you want to, you can fill this in too. So yeah, color it in if you want, and have fun with this. Thank you so much for tuning in, liking, and subscribing to my YouTube channel. Enjoy.